You don't need to wait to be a leader, and leadership starts now.
My name is Gabriel Domoningena.
My name is Priscilla Kenmeza.
I'm Matilda Abagna Apegene.
My name is Christina Joel Emmanuel,
Class of 2025. Beyond academics, I wanted to engage in my community, and Ashesi provided that platform for me.
I didn't really know much about what to expect, but I just knew that it's a space that if I allow myself to explore, and I will really be that person that I was looking up to.
In my second year, I actually started a non-for-profit organization. It was initially called IT Hub. We later transformed it to STEM for All.
Second year, third year, and before we knew, we had given resources to over 3,000 students in South Sudan, textbooks, solar lamps, and different resources that could help them. The NGO is called EduPower Youth Foundation, and the aim behind it was that when we looked at our background, we were looking forward to giving people or other students like us an opportunity to better themselves, maybe in their academics, get more exposure. They will build themselves, maybe their leadership, learn how to speak fluently.
STEM for All is actually an innovative non-for-profit organization that is dedicated to promoting STEM education, and we actually focused on the northern part of Ghana.
I, together with my two other friends, started an NGO called Swing for Dignity, aimed at promoting women economically, teaching them financial literacy to help them manage their finances. We've been able to impact over 150 women, and from some of the funding and grants we've been able to receive as an organization, we've been able to purchase sewing machines.
So I also run an organization called Eco Rabbits, where we are combining technology, simple technology, as well as circular economy when it comes to sustainable rabbit farming. So the whole idea is to pick food waste, process that into rabbit feeds for the rabbits. We are also able to pick the rabbit waste and convert that into biofertilizer as well as pesticides. So it's actually an initiative I started, and I actually won the MasterCard Social Venture Challenge 2024, where I'm receiving mentorship as well as funding to expand upon our work.
Ashesi's emphasis on ethical leadership, excellence, and community engagement has significantly shaped my service and leadership skills as a student in Ashesi.
Over my past 4 years at Ashesi, I've learned a couple of lessons, and one of which is teamwork and the importance of working in teams.
The biggest lesson I've learned from Ashesi is that you can make an impact in the society regardless of where you come from, regardless of your background. All you need to do is believe that you can do it, and then go out there and make the difference.